2013 GMC ACADIA Denali at Hollidaysburg Auto Plaza in Hollidaysburg, Pennsylvania. This GMC is well equipped with a V6 engine, all-wheel drive, power folding mirrors, rear parking sensors, leather seats, power heat and cool front seats, a dual moon roof, a power steering column, navigation, a backup camera, a power liftgate, a drop video screen, tri-zone auto climate with rear controls, third row seats, under 155,000 miles. It's under $14,000. Visit hollidaysburgautoplaza.com or call 814-257-5338.